Hi, Assalamualaikum. Help me to share kan? Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Hi, welcome. Help me to share kan? Thank you. Hi, okay, Assalamualaikum, okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, okay, Nari I jual makeup, okay, makeup at a very affordable price, okay, kalau you all nak tengok makeup, okay, you all boleh tengok pin dekat bawah, okay, so I have beauty blender, I have mascara, I have eyeliner, I have Crayon, okay, Crayon is going off at only $7, I have Pixie refill, okay, Topical Beach going off at only $6, I have foundation, okay, my foundation is going off at only $8, okay, I have Huda Beauty and I have Sephora, okay, I pun ada eyeshadow, I ada brush, I ada hair mask. This hair mask is a must for you all to try sebab dia bagus sangat-sangat, okay, dia punya hair mask is super duper good, okay, this is all new arrival, going off at only $20 sahaja, okay, the hair mask is going off at $20, okay, kenapa I cakap bagus, because I myself ada hair fall punya problem, my rambut kering, so after I use this one, okay, I tak tipu you, this is very very good, okay, it's moisturize, bring rambut I jadi ringan, jadi soft, okay, this one, okay, 1000 ml is going off at only $20, okay. I cuma tinggal satu sahaja, okay, so this one is good for hair repair, smooth, alright, dandruff and also hair loss, okay, going off at only $20 sahaja, okay. Kalau you nak yang ini, you all boleh just comment for me hair mask, okay, hair mask is going off at only $20, this is super duper good, okay, this is super duper good, super duper highly recommended, okay, going off at only $20 sahaja. Kalau you nak, you can just comment for me, alright. Then I ada foundation, okay, foundation I is going off at only $8, okay, my foundation is going off at only $8, I have Huda Beauty, I have Sephora, okay, going off at only $8, then I have eyeshadow, alright, I have eyeshadow. I got code 1 and code 2 going off at also $8. Then I have eyebrow and eyeshadow palette going off at only $10. Then I have brush. Okay, brush set going off at only $10. Okay. Then I ada this one. Okay, Pixie. This is banyak orang cari. Okay, I bawa masuk 24. I cuma tinggal ini sahaja. Okay, fastest finger first. Okay, I left with only 5. Okay, this one is going off at only $6. Okay, this one is going off at only $6. Kalau you all nak, you all can just comment for me. Okay, then I have contact lens. Okay, I have lens is going off also at $8. Okay, I have honey, brown, sterling grey and grey. This is sterling grey. Mak kau, sorry. This is sterling grey. Okay, sterling grey is going off at $8. Then I have grey. Okay, different sterling grey dengan grey dia different Sterling grey tu nampak dia the grey je. Yang kalau yang grey dia tengah-tengah dia ada macam honey sikit. Okay, going off at only $8. Then I got honey and brown. This is honey, this is brown. Alright, different This is honey and this is brown, going off at only $8. Then I have Krelon. Okay, Krelon is going off at only $7. Okay guys, $7 sahaja. Kalau you nak yang Krelon, you can just comment for me Krelon. Okay, Nova Concealer is going off at only $5.50. $5.50. I ada liquid eyeliner. Okay, this liquid eyeliner is super duper good. It's going off at only $3.50. I ada makeup wipes is going off at $8. I ada Pixie two-way cake going off at $8. And beauty blender is going off at $2.50. Okay, and also mascara is going off at $4. Kalau you all nak, you all interested, you all boleh just comment below for me. Okay, going off at very affordable price. Alright, if you want anything, if you want yang mana satu, you all just comment for me. I ada setting spray. Alright, setting spray for makeup is going off at only $6. Okay, delivery will be $6 island wide. Okay, you all nak yang mana, you all boleh comment dekat bawah. Okay, I have Krelon, I have mascara. This one, okay, this quarantine hair mask. Okay, I highly recommended for hijab. Okay, for hijabsters. Okay, siapa yang pakai tudung, you all takkan rasa berat lagi bila you all pakai tudung. Okay, you punya rambut akan rasa ringan sangat-sangat. Okay, because of this thing I've been using. Bila benda ni masuk, I dah try and I use. Okay, so this one I left with only $20 only. Okay, botol besar $20, 1000 ml. Okay, you boleh share dengan your whole family, atau you all ada banyak adik-beradik perempuan ke, you all boleh share around. Okay, this one is going off at only $20. Okay, I ada Sephora makeup, I ada Huda Beauty foundation going off at only $8. Okay, $8 sahaja. Okay, makeup brush, I left with only one, going off at only $10. Then I have nude, I have mascara, I have Pixie powder. Okay, Pixie refill powder going off at only $6 sahaja. Okay, going off at only $6. I have setting spray going off at $6. I have liquid mascara, liquid eyeliner going off at only $3.50. Okay, $3.50. Okay, this is my I tunjukkan you all Yang ini I punya. This is my Okay, dia cepat. Okay, dia cepat kering. Okay, this one is cepat kering. Okay, sekejap Okay, this one. Salam Kak Gecacal. Kakak, thank you lah Bos Casey from the ocean, Dark Side Ocean. Thank you brother. Thank you for the like and share brother. Okay, so nampak yang ni dah kering. Okay, very fast. This is very fast. Okay, lepas tu you all boleh pakai I punya wipes. Okay, the wipes that I'm selling is only going off at $8. Dalam ada 120 pieces. Okay, this eyeliner is super duper good, highly recommended. Okay, nampak dia soft eyeliner. Okay, dia cepat kering. Going off at only $3.50. Kalau you nak, you just comment for me eyeliner, right? Then I ada makeup wipes. Okay, makeup wipes is going off at only $8. Okay, makeup wipes is going off at only $8. Dalam ada 120 pieces. Okay, if you want, you can just comment for me wipes. Then I have 2-way cake punya pixie powder. Okay, I left with code 2 and 3. Going off at only $8. Okay. This one, dalam dia ada 2. Okay, dalam dia ada 2. Going off at only $8. Okay, kalau you nak, you can just comment for me. Pixie, code 2. This is code 2. And this is code 3. Mana? Okay, and this is code 3. Alright, this is code 3 Going off at only $8. Okay, kalau you nak yang pixie, you just comment for me pixie plus the code. Okay, I left with only code 2 or code 3. Alright, code 2 or code 3 going off at only $8. I have beauty blender going off at only $2.50. I left with only purple and blue. Okay, I left with only purple and blue. Nampak dia punya blue is very nice blue marble. Okay, blue marble going off at only $2.50. If you want, you can just comment below. I have blusher. Okay, blusher I have going off at only $5. Okay, this blusher is code 1. Okay, code 1. If you want, you can just comment for me code 1. Code 2. Code 3. Code 4. Code 5. Or code 6. Okay, going off at only $5. Okay, if you want the blusher, you just comment for me blusher plus the code. Alright, then after that I have crayon. Okay, my crayon is going off at only $7. Okay, I have code NB. Alright, NB, this is Maya, right? The crayon is super duper good. Okay, it's really covered your flawless, okay? It make you look very, very flawless. This is crayon, alright? You can do this as your concealer, or you can apply on the whole face. Okay, you can also apply on your whole face. Okay, this crayon is going off at only $7. The one that I'm using is code NB. Alright, code NB. Nampak? Okay, very, very flawless. The end touch is very, very flawless. Okay, nampak Okay, this one I have in code NB. Comment for me crayon. Comment for me NB. Okay, then what else I have? Okay, NB. Then I have code 1W. Okay, 1W is very, very light. Okay, ini untuk orang yang kulit syarah. Then I have 2W. Alright, I have 2W. I have 3W. And I have 5W. Thank you for the sharing. Okay, help me to share around. Thank you. Okay, I have 5W. This one is going off at only $7. Okay, $7. If you want the Craylon, you can just comment for me Craylon. Alright. You can just comment for me NB 1W, 2W, 3W or 5W. Alright. Going off at only $7. Okay, going off at only $7. Okay, what else I have? I have mascara. Okay, my mascara cuma tinggal 3 saja. Going off at only $4. Okay, going off at only $4. Okay, going off at only $4. If you want, you can just comment for me mascara. Okay, this mascara is super duper good. Okay, I tak tipu you all. This is super duper good. Okay, smudge proof. Okay, I left with only 3, going off at only $4. Okay, if you want, you can just comment below. Then I have Nova concealer going off at only $5.50. Okay, Nova concealer is going off at only $5.50. Mana je sekejap I tunjukkan you all my one Okay, the Nova concealer is very good to apply. Okay, this is Nova concealer. Okay, Nova concealer is going off at only $5.50. Nampak? Okay, but the Nova one, okay, my one is code 2 lah. I only left with code 3, alright? The Nova one is super duper good. I tak tipu you all, okay? Alright, this one is super duper good, going off at only $5.50, okay? Kalau you nak yang ini, you all boleh comment for me the Nova, alright? You all boleh comment for me Nova, going off at only $5.50, okay? You all nak yang mana, you all boleh komen dekat bawah. You all boleh tengok-tengok dulu, okay? Hi, assalamualaikum. Okay, help me to check around. Thank you. Okay, I have makeup available. Okay, delivery will be only $6 island wide. Alright, like and share down for you. Thank you, Nadila. Thank you for the like and share, sayang. Okay, I have mascara. I have eyeliner. I have contact lens. Okay, 0-degree contact lens going off at only $8. Okay, I have in sterling grey color. I have grey. Okay, this is grey. I have honey. And I also have brown. Okay, going off at only $8. I have crayon. Okay, crayon I going off at only $7. I have blusher going off at only $5. I have beauty blender $2.50. Okay, Pixie two-way cake going off at only $8. Makeup wipes going off at $8. Okay, dalam ada 120 pieces. I have eyeliner. Okay, this is liquid eyeliner. This is very good. Highly recommended. Okay, I left with only a few. Going off at only $3.50. I have Super Stay set. Okay, going off at only $14. Okay, dalam ada powder, concealer dengan foundation. Okay, going off at only $14. I have Nova punya concealer. Okay, I left with only code 3. Going off at only $5.50. I have Tropical Beach makeup wipes time 1. Thank you, sayang. Okay, I have Tropical Beach punya apa ni? Refill. Okay, I have Tropical Beach punya refill going off at only $6 je. I tuliskan nama dulu. Novo Wattons is I only left with the number 3. Sekejap sayang I left with only number 3. Night Delights. Assalamualaikum. Okay, help me to share around. Thank you. Okay, I left with only tone number 3. Tone number 3 dia a little bit darker. Alright, this one is tone number 3. Okay, this one is tone number 3. If you want, you can just comment for me Nova, code number 3, okay? Crayon. Okay, crayon going off at only $7. This is code 5W. Okay, this is code 5W. This is code 2W. Okay, 2W. $3W. $1W. And the last one I got is NB, okay? Imak kau. Okay? NB. Okay, going off at only $7, alright? Kalau you nak, you can just comment for me the code only, okay? Nova, okay, going off at $5.50. 2W times 1. Boleh sayang, get for you the new one, $2W. Alright, thank you. Okay, then I have fixing spray. Yang ini very good. Okay, this is very good. Alright, this one fast absorb, lightweight, make your skin plump, then soft. Excellent preparation for makeup. Okay, this one is going off at only $6. If you want, you just comment for me fix. Then I have Huda Beauty Foundation going off at only $8. Okay, this is code 2 and this is code 3. Alright, this is code 2 and this is code 3. I have also Sephora. Okay, $8 only. Okay, this is code 2 and this is code 3. You can just comment for me Huda code 2, code 3 or Sephora code 2, code 3. Okay. Then I have eyeshadow. Okay, this one is code number 2. Alright, you can just comment for me nude 02 atau nude 01. This one is going off at only $8. Okay, this one is going off at only $8. You all can just comment for me. I pun ada eyeshadow dengan eyebrow palette going off at only $10. Okay, going off at only $10. Kalau you nak yang ni, you just comment for me palette. Okay, the palette I left with only 2. Like and share. Semalam ibu dah buat payment, right? Dah sayang, dah buat payment. Thank you sayang. Okay, I also ada hair mask. This hair mask is super duper good. Pasal I myself have rambut rosak, I myself ada hair loss. Okay, then after that, bila part ni bawa masuk, I try this one and this is super duper good. Okay, you punya rambut jadi very light, very soft. Okay, this one nak pakai very senang. Thank you, I really $0. Alhamdulillah, thank you sayang. Thank you for the for the continuous support. Okay, thank you sayang. Okay, this one is make mineral, repair your hair to make it silky smooth, prevent breakage, dandruff and hair loss. Salam foundation code 3 is what tone? Foundation code 3 is foundation. Okay, I show you sayang Foundation code 3 is darker tone. This is the tone. Waalaikumsalam. Okay, this is the tone. This is Huda Beauty code 3 and this is Sephora code 3. Going off at only $8. Okay, this is the darker tone. Kalau my tone is code 2. Okay, this is the tone. Then I ada makeup brush. Okay, dalam ada 12. Going off at only $10. Okay, going off at only $10. Kalau you nak, you can just comment for me. Okay, brush I left with only one set. Going off at only $10. Mascara I cuma tinggal 3. I bawa masuk 24. 24 last few days I left with only 3. Okay, going off at only $4 sahaja. Kalau you nak yang mascara ni, you all boleh comment mascara untuk sayang-sayang. Okay, just comment for me mascara kalau you all nak yang mascara ni. Okay, going off at only $4 sahaja. Then I ada Topical Beach punya 2-way pixie. Okay, yang ini I bawa masuk 24. I cuma tinggal 5 sahaja. Okay, dia come with dia punya sponge and come with this one. Okay, going off at only $6 sahaja. Okay, this is the tone. Going off at only $6. Kalau you all nak, you all boleh komen dekat bawah Okay, going off at only $6. Then I have also Super Stay Set going off at $14. Okay, dalam ada powder, concealer and also foundation. Okay, that one if left with only code 2 and 4. Alright, kalau you nak yang itu, you comment for me stay code 2 atau code 4. Going off at only $14. Okay, then apa lagi ada? Itu je kot. Okay, beauty blender I left with only 2 color. Okay, blue and purple. Okay, going off at only $2.50. $2.50 sahaja. Okay, this is very very good to apply your foundation. Okay, going off at only $2.50. Kalau you nak, you just comment for me beauty blender. You mean self collect? Self collect is available at Choa Chu Kang. But upon availability, tomorrow morning can. Tomorrow morning can. Today afternoon before 5 should be okay. Can, no problem. You can just fix with me the appointment, alright? This one is blue color, this one is purple color, alright? If you want, you can just comment for me Beauty Blender Blue or Beauty Blender Purple. Then, yeah. Okay, so I have mascara, I have Beauty Blender, I have eyeliner, hair mask. Okay, the hair mask is a must for you all to try. Okay, the hair mask is a must for you all to try because I have very bad hair loss. My hair is super duper dry, but after I use this one, okay, my hair become very smooth, very light. Okay, and I also encounter no hair loss. After I use this one, I don't have any hair loss problem. Okay, this one is going off at only $20. Okay, $20 sahaja. Okay, kalau you nak, you can just comment for me hair mask. Okay, yang ini is super duper good. I will recommend you all. Okay, yang ini bagus sangat. I tak tipu you all, tapi dia memang bagus. Going off at only $20. Okay, macam I yang pakai tudung, I use this one, my hair tak rasa terperap, and the main thing is wangi. My hair becomes so wangi. Okay. $20 only. I left with only one. Kalau you all nak, you all can just comment for me hair mask. Alright. Okay. Any takers for the foundation? Foundation I left with code 2 or 3. Okay. Code 2 or 3 going off at only $8. Okay. You can just comment for me Huda code 0203 or Sephora code 0203 going off at only $8. Okay. I have eyeshadow and eyebrow palette. Suka dan kongsi bosku. Thank you bosku. I have eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow and eyebrow palette going off at only $10. Okay, I ada eyeshadow going off at only $8. Okay. Mascara cuma tinggal 3 going off at only $4. I have crayon very limited. Okay, I left with only code MB 1W 2W 3W 5W going off at only $7. Okay. Liquid eyeliner $3.50. Makeup wipes going off at only $8. Okay, makeup wipes going off at only $8. Fixie, okay, Fixie two-way cake going off at only $8. Blusher going off at $5. Apa nama ni? Beauty Blender going off at $2.50. Okay, kalau you all nak yang mana satu, you all boleh komen dekat bawah, right? Okay, if you want which one, you can just comment below. Okay, kalau you nak yang mana, you boleh komen dekat bawah, right? Assalamualaikum. Help me to check in. Thank you. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, help me to share around. Okay, I have foundation, I have the hair mask, Okay, hair mask I cuma tinggal satu. This is very highly recommended, going off at only $20. Okay, dia 1000 ml. I the brush set going off at $10. I have eyeshadow, eyebrow set. Then I have mascara. I have Pixie. Okay, I have lens. I have crayon, wipes, eyeliner, beauty blender, and also blusher. Okay, if you guys interested in any of the item, you all boleh comment dekat bawah, right? Okay, you all nak tengok yang mana, you all boleh komen dekat bawah. I show you, okay. I have this Huda, okay, this is mine, okay. This is my Huda Beauty going off at only $8, okay. This is code number 2. Okay, I applykan you all, this is code number 2. Okay. What I usually do is I dab with my beauty blender. Alright, and this is good to go. Alright, this is perfect, flawless to go. Going off at only $8, okay. This is my Huda Beauty going off at only $8. Then I have my Sephora. Okay, I have the Sephora. Hi Kak Noliza Harifin. Okay, then this is my Sephora. Okay, Sephora. Alright, going off at only $8 juga. Okay, this is going off at only $8. If you want, you can just comment below. Okay, then I have Pixie refill. Okay, this one is going off at only $6. Okay, I buat masuk 24. I cuma tinggal 5 sahaja. Okay, fastest finger first. Going off at only $6. Okay, going off at only $6. If you want, you boleh komen. I ada crayon. The crayon is super duper good. Okay, nampak? This one I dah pakai my crayon tadi. Okay, this is the crayon touch going off at only $7. Okay, crayon touch going off at only $7. Okay, I ada code NB 1W, 2W, 3W, and 5W. Okay, going off at only $7. No, salam sis, like and share for you. Thank you sayang. Thank you for the like share sayang. I ada Nova concealer. Okay, Kak, you suka Sephora kan that time? Tu dah sampai. Okay, then Nova concealer is going off at only $5.50. I left with only code 3. Then I ada eyeliner. The eyeliner is super good. Okay, then I ada wipes. Okay, wipes is going off at only $8. I pun ada lens. Dia punya lens lawa. Okay, I cuma tinggal limited sahaja. Okay, I have this is honey. This is brown. Okay, yang ini $8 saja. Then I ada sterling grey. Okay, and also grey. Okay, it comes with the lens. Yes, your Sephora foundation very good. Yes, alhamdulillah kakak. Yes, very good. Super duper good. Okay, yang ini datang dengan dia punya casing sekali. Okay, going off at only $8. Then I ada nampak. Okay, this one I highly recommended. Okay, $20 only. I left with only, I bawa masuk 12. Saya cuma tinggal satu sahaja. Okay, your lens ada degree? Tak ada sayang. My lens is 0 degree. Okay, I cuma tinggal satu. Salam, boleh tengok foundation? Boleh Nora Shikin? Boleh sayang. Okay, I ambilkan you foundation Okay, this is Huda code 02. Comment for me Huda 02. Alright. This is Huda 03. The long wear waterproof foundation. Okay, this is 03. Comment for me Huda 03. This is Sephora 02. Salam sis, lain share dan thank you sayang. Thank you for the lain share. Dia dapat you punya makeup. Okay, this is 02 and this is Sephora 03. Alright, this is Sephora 03 going off at only $8. Okay, my foundation is going off at only $8. Dan si suka sangat. Alhamdulillah. Thank you sayang. Thank you. Natural colour mana satu kak? Kalau you ambil 02. 02. Pasal I myself pakai 02. Nampak? Ni 02 punya touch. I tunjukkan you lagi sekali sayang This is my Sephora. Ni I punya I'm been using the Sephora since dia masuk last year. Okay? This is my 02 punya Sephora. Okay? Nampak? The touch is very very nice. Okay, the touch is super duper nice. How much is your Novo Concealer? Novo Concealer is only $5.50, but I left with only code 03. Nova Concealer is $5.50. I left with only code 03. Okay, this is my Huda Beauty code 02. Yang ni semua I punya. It's my own personal. Okay, nampak the different. Okay, dua-dua bagus. Yang ini is Sephora, yang ini is Huda Beauty. Alright. The natural colour is 02. Pasal I myself pun pakai 02. Sephora I nak kak, you nak 02 or 03? Is it 02? Kalau you nak 02, just comment for me 02. Kalau nak 03, comment for me 03 sayang Nak 02 ke? Zero 2 times 2. Okay, 02 times 2. Boleh sayang. Thank you Nora Chicken. Okay, jangan lupa nanti UPMI Thank you sayang. Fix spray berapa? $6 sahaja. The fix spray is super duper bagus. Very very good. Highly recommended. Very very good. Dia cepat absorb. Then it make your face very flawless. Pasal I myself pun pakai. Alright. Nora Chicken. Thank you for the PM sayang. Nora Chicken. Okay, you all buat prompt payment. Then after that, insyaAllah, I will pass my delivery by tonight. Alright. If you all make the prompt payment, I will pass my delivery by tonight. Thank you so much. I ambil one fixing spray juga. Alhamdulillah, boleh sayang. Thank you so much. Okay. You nak concealer? Concealer, the Krylon concealer going off at only $7. Okay. The concealer is going off at only $7. My Sephora punya, yes, can see concealer can. Okay, kalau you pakai natural kan, I suggest you to pakai code NB. Mana NB. Pasal akak myself pakai NB. Mana dia hilang? Okay. Okay. This is code NB. I myself use NB. Going off at only $7. Okay, kalau you, this is very very good. You all tahu lah, Krylon is very very good. It make your face very very flawless. Okay. So comment for me NB. Comment ni 1W is lighter. Okay, 1W is lighter. Then this is 2W. Okay, this is 2W. Then this is 3W. The last one is 5W. Okay, 5W. 5W is the darker one, okay? The darker tone. Going off at only $7, okay? Kalau you nak, you can just comment for me the code. Alright, thank you sayang. Then I have makeup wipes, okay? Dalam ada 120 pieces. Going off at only going off at only $7. $8, sorry. Dalam ada 120 pieces. Going off at only $8. Morning lah Aisyah dan thank you. Okay, going off at only $8. Kalau you nak, you can just comment for me. Then I ada beauty blender. Alright, beauty blender I left with this color only. Going off at only $2.50. Kalau you nak, you boleh comment dekat bawah. Alright. Then I ada Pixie. Okay, I left with only code 2 and 3 going off at only $8. Okay, this is code 3. Okay, this is code 3. And this is code 2. Okay, code 2 going off at only $8. Kalau you nak, you boleh komenkan I. Alright, Pixie code 2 atau code 3. Then apa lagi I ada Then I have super stay set. Okay, super stay set going off at only $14, $14 sahaja. Kalau you nak, you boleh komen kami set. Okay, you boleh komenkan I set going off at only $14. Then I have this one, two-way cake. Okay, Tropical Beach going off at only $6, $6 sahaja. Okay, this is very very good. Okay, kalau sesiapa yang tak suka pakai bedak terlalu putih, I would recommend you this one. I buat masuk 24, I cuma tinggal 5 sahaja. Okay, we bring in upon customer request. Going off at only $6. Okay, this is Tropical Beach. This is very very good, highly recommended. Okay, this is highly, nampak dia punya expiry date pun 24 2024. Okay, going off at only $6. If you nak, you boleh just comment for me beach, tropical. Okay, just comment for me tropical. $6 sahaja. Okay, then I ada foundation. Alright, foundation, Huda Beauty Foundation. My Sephora 02 left with only one. My Huda pun tak salah, I left with only one. The 02, then I got code 03. Okay, you all boleh comment foundation yang Huda atau Sephora. Okay, going off at only $8. Hair mask. Okay, hair mask is highly recommended. Kalau you all suka, I guess semua perempuan okay, perempuan suka melawar dengan rambut. Okay, this one I highly recommended. Sebab I myself dah pakai. Okay, I bawa masuk ni hari tu, I try dulu, I test dulu. Code 01 tak ada sis, dah habis sis. Code 01 dah habis. Okay, so this one is hair mask. Okay, this is super duper good, going off at only $20. Okay, kalau you all suka rambut shiny, suka rambut yang lembut, atau you all ada hair loss punya problem, I would recommend you this one. Pasal I myself ada hair loss problem, my rambut kering pasal dye rambut banyak sangat. Okay, so after that when I use this one is very very easy to apply. You all apply after shower. Okay, you all apply 3 to 5 minutes. You ada lipstick tak ada sis, enggak ada. Okay, this one you apply dekat your rambut. Okay, after that you leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then after that you rinse off your hair and got to go. Okay, ready to go. And this is very very good. Yang penting bau dia is very very nice. Okay, very wangi. Dia punya bau is very wangi. Okay, bila lepas you dah cuci, rinse off, you punya rambut very wangi. Sesiapa yang pakai tudung, okay, you punya rambut takkan bau bila terperap. Okay, because I myself dah try, I myself dah consume this item. Okay, this is very very good. Okay, so comment for me hair mask $20. I left with only one sahaja. Okay, I left with only one. Okay, I left with only 1000 ml. Dekat luar tak salah I is 40 plus. Kan tak salah I lah, 40 plus. Okay, but this one, okay, I going off at only $20. I left with only one. Kalau you nak, you just comment for me hair mask. Alright, then I ada Kylie punya brush. Okay, Kylie brush. Dalam ada 12, going off at only $10. Okay, dalam ada 12, going off at only $10. If you want hair mask, I nak. Boleh sayang. Okay, thank you. I tak tipu, you akan happy bila you pakai this hair mask. Pasal super duper good. I myself pakai. Super good. Okay, hair mask dah sold out Thank you sayang. Thank you Elvira. Okay, you all make a prompt payment. Then tonight I will pass. Apa ni? Ini makeup. Ini makeup. Apa ni? Ini makeup sayang. Elvira Natasha. I nak lipstick next time bawa masuk lipi boleh? Oh serious babe, you nak lipi I tak tahu say. Okay, nanti awak masuk Nanti ada my boss suruh masuk Boleh. Nanti next time you bawa masuk. Nanti next time I bawa masuk, okay? Elvira Natasha. Okay, you all make a prompt payment. InsyaAllah by tonight, I will pass the courier, your courier the item, okay? Thank you very much, Elvira Natasha. Alright. Tapi tak tahu bila nak pakai tahun depan. Krelon nak. Okay, you nak yang mana? Sekejap. You nak, I tunjukkan you dia punya code sayang Kalau you is putih kan? Tak apalah, you tengok kod dia dah dulu You tengok kod dia dulu. Okay. This is NB. Okay, NB. Okay, NB NB I cuma tinggal 2 saja. Then this is 1W. Okay, 1W. Krelon is very good. It make your face very flawless. Okay, it make your face super flawless. I tak tipu you all, okay? Then this is 2W. Okay, 2W. Yang ini $7 je sayang-sayang $7 sahaja. This is 3W. Okay, 3W. Then yang ini is 5W. 2W. Okay, boleh Ina Hasan. Thank you sayang. 2W for Ina Hasan. Nanti tengok PC boleh jap 2W. Pixie. You nak yang Pixie punya refill ke? Yang 2-way cake punya. Ina Hasan burung lebih-lebih. Yes. Burung 2W dah tinggal 1. Sephora apa? Sephora $8 je babe. $8. Murmur babe. $8 sahaja. NB1. Boleh Nora King. Refill. Okey, boleh jap Ina Hasan Ina Hasan. Dating ni dah. Tak baik. Okay, so 1NB for Nora Shiki. Mana you punya bag? Okay. 1NB. Alright, NB taken for Nora Shiki. 3W for Elvira. Boleh sayang jap ya. 3W for Elvira. Okay, taken. Thank you. Anda masukkan dalam bag. Pixie aku nak beli untuk make aku pasal dia casing dia nanti tak cukup. Oh, boleh. Okay. Yang ini kan, babe. Dia actually topical base is very good. It's natural colour. Actually, you all should try Nova. Yes, the Nova, Novo ke Nova, babe? Oh, Novo lah. Okay, the Novo you all should try. Tapi yang Novo, I cuma code, left with code 3 only. Guys, the finishing there is very good. Okay, I bawa masuk pun pasal Del recommend I the Novo. Okay, yang ini, dia punya code. Okay, dia datang dengan sponge lah. Okay, yang ini $6. Kalau you nak, you just comment for me, Pixie. Okay, I cuma tinggal 5 saja. Okay, the Pixie is very good. Okay. The Pixie is very good. I highly recommended. I buat masuk 24. I cuma tinggal 5 saja. Kalau you all nak, you all boleh komen dekat bawah, right? The Novo is also good tau. Yang ini concealer je is very Pixie times 2. Okay, boleh Ina Hassan. Okay. You nak tengok Sephora kan? Sekejap Ni Sephora dia. Going off at only $8 saja. Okay, this is code 02 and 03. Okay, the Sephora jangan cakap The Sephora dia punya Andy Touch is very flawless. Okay, 02 or 03. Then I ada Huda Beauty 02 or 03. Okay, Huda 02 or 03. This one is also very good. Okay, dia waterproof. Alright, going off at only $8. Okay, I ada fixing spray going off at only $6. Dan yang ini eyebrow and eyeshadow palette $10 sahaja. This is super duper good. Okay, yang ini dia punya eyebrow. Then come with the brush. Huda 03. Okay, boleh babe. Okay, this one is very good. If you want, you can just comment for me. Huda 03 for Ina Hassan. Alright. Okay. Okay, boleh sabar sekejap sayang Teenagers, maybe you can try the mascara atau lens. Eyebrow palette set. You want the eyebrow palette set, babe? You want the eyebrow palette set Yes, kalau you punya anak teenagers, you can recommend the eyebrow palette set. You boleh recommend the Kylie brush. Okay, Kylie brush. Yang ini $10. Then you boleh recommend dia. You boleh belikan dia contact lens. Kita pun ada contact lens. The contact lens is super duper nice guys. Okay, this one is grey. Okay, yang ini $8 je. Then I have brown. Lawa sangat-sangat. Yang bedak set pun boleh. Yes, the bedak set I only left with code 2 and 04. Okay, yang ini nampak lens dia very nice. This is honey. Okay, then sterling grey. Okay, yang ini $8. Maybe you can try the bedak set also. Okay, $14 sahaja. Like and share, bebe. Thank you, bebe. Okay, bedak set. Okay, I left with code 02 and 04. $14 come with dia punya powder, concealer dengan foundation. $14 sahaja. Cheap, good. Okay, $14. Maybe you boleh beli ni, then you boleh tambah yang lain ni. Kylie, takkan budak-budak tak suka Kylie? Very nice. Okay, this is very nice. This also very nice. Okay, powder set. Yang ni kan, you nak kod apa? 02 atau 04? Babe, dah WhatsApp nanti baca. Okay, Kylie. Okay, boleh. So you take the powder set and the Kylie Yang powder set you nak kod 02 atau 04, babe? Tengok kod 04. Boleh sayang, like and share lah nak. Thank you lah. Ini sayang, ni kod 04 dia. Dia tak terang. Ni 04. This one is 04. You all bezakan yang ini 04, yang ini 02. Okay, kalau you all tak suka pakai terang-terang, you all pakai 04. 04 I left with only 2. Okay, you all nak, you all beli. This is very good. 04. Okay, 04 for Ina Hassan. Okay, one more. Any takers for 04? You all nampak This is very nice. Okay, going off at only $14 saja. I nak yang gelap. Okay, you take the 04. Okay, I give you the 04 sayang Okay, thank you Elvira. Thank you Ina Hassan. This is Ina Hassan. Okay, then mana Elvira? Okay, this is okay, sudah. Itu je. Ada ni. Tak nak? Itu je, babe. Belum pakai lagi. Ada contact lens tak nak? Thank you, babe. Thank you sayang. Ada wipes, okay? This makeup, okay. I tunjukkan you all lah. I punya makeup wipes, Ambil blusher pula. Yes, the blusher is very, very nice. Okay, this is my... I need tissue. Tissue $8. You want or not? I left with only 6. This is mine, okay? This is mine, I beli. Okay, you all nampak, Ni aku dah conteng-conteng, Nampak? Very, very good, okay? Yang penting, dia punya bau is very wangi, guys. Okay, going off at only $8 sahaja. Ni tadi tangan I dah ada foundation, concealer semua. Okay, I wipe for you all, Nampak? I take 3. Aku cari ni tisu kan. This tissue is very, very good. Okay, boleh sayang. Alright, 3 for you. This tissue, yes, very, very good. I left with only 3. Any more takers for the tissue? The tissue is super duper good tau you all. Okay, dia punya bau is super duper nice. Okay, bau dia is very, very nice. Okay, kalau you all nak, you all boleh komenkan wipes. Okay, I left with only 3. I left with only 3 of the wipes. Okay, kalau you all nak, you all boleh komen. Dalam ada 120 pieces. Okay, dia tak sikit, dia banyak. Okay, that's why it's going off at only $8. Then this one, nampak? I pakai mascara dengan eyeliner. I use this one solid. Okay, cepat. Alright. Dia punya expiry date also 2023. Alright, yang ini pun baru, Going off at only $8 saja. Any takers, you all boleh komen. Tisu ni aku punya eczema tak trigger. Yes, actually yes, betul. Sesiapa yang ada eczema, right, this tissue is very, very good. I would highly recommend. You can see the powder set again, Kak. Boleh powder set. I cuma tinggal ni je, sayang. 02. Tapi kalau tadi you ambil 02 kan, ni pun 02 is good for you. Dia ada powder, dia ada concealer. How you masuk? Then I nak tisu satu. Boleh. Tisu letak tepi satu, entah bila nak pakai. Okay, you nak babe. Okay, tisu I tinggal satu. Any takers? Adik ni kat bawah. Very big tau. How you want to go bring home? You touch my hair. Right. Nanti you dah mandi. This one you pakai. Then you leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you rinse off dah. You want to mandi sini lah? Tak, this is hair mask. Tisu ni boleh buat cebok. Kurang hajar punya Don. Ambil 2 lah, habiskan. Kurang hajar punya Don. Siapa ni? Elvira. Okay. Okay, I take for you. Any takers for the tissue? Left one. Tissue left one. I pun tak bila nak pakai aku. Tak, babe. Actually kan, bila part you tak pakai makeup, even I myself lepas masak, I take this tissue, I wipes my face. Super serious. Boleh buat wipes. Seriously, I tak tipu you. Boleh buat wipes. This is very good tau, guys. This is super duper good. Ika, maybe I can recommend you. Don Ibnu boleh buat selit, kurang ajar. Okay, babe, nanti I pass to you lah. Adel Fidel. Alright, thank you, babe. Okay, the tissue, any takers? I left with only 1. Boleh buat keyboard, nobody deep cleansing. Kurang ajar. This is very hitut lah kan. Don memang kurang ajar lah. Okay, yang ini, very, very good. Okay, very, very good. I would highly recommend you all. Okay, I would highly recommend you all. I left with only 1, $8. Ikan nak. Sesiapa kat dalam aku tak nampak. Sesiapa yang kat dalam nak. Okay, $8 saja. Dalam ada 120. Nak apa? You tidur sini ke balik? Okay, this one is going off at only $8. Any takers? Okay, $8 je. Dia very bagus, guys. Okay, bagus. Aku tak tipu korang. Pasal aku pakai. Okay. Kalau you all nak I demonstrate, I boleh demonstrate dekat my adik. Ada aku tumbuk. Tester nak aku punya. Nah, tester aku punya. Nak. Okay. This one. Okay, any takers you all just comment for me. Okay. Tinggal satu saja. Any takers boleh comment. Okay, come. Eyeliner. This eyeliner is very very good. Okay, letak kat satu aku punya tu. Okay, boleh. Steady. Steady, Ika. Okay, letak kat aku punya satu tu. Okay, steady, Ika. Alright, the white is finished. Thank you, Ika. Ada pakai gacha punya. Korang ajar. Okay, you all nak Krelon punya... Ni sayang. You all nak Krelon punya concealer tak? Okay, Krelon punya concealer I left with only a few colours. Okay, I punya 2W dah habis. I punya NB tinggal satu. Okay, this is NB. Okay, this one is going off at only $7 guys. $7 saja. Okay, any takers you all boleh just comment. Okay, you all make a prompt payment today. InsyaAllah by today I will pass the delivery your item. Okay, this is 1W. Nanti Don Ibnu datang rumah kau tumpang berak. Lepas tu dia try nanti. Tu apa pasal? Okay, this is 1W. NBI cuma tinggal satu. Any more takers for the NB you all boleh comment. Kalau tak nak aku ambil. Okay, this is 5W. Alright, this is 5W. And this is 3W. Okay, the Krelon is very very limited guys. Okay, you all should try. Okay, then apa lagi I ada Novo set. Tengok eyeshadow. $8 only. Okay, this is code 02. Very lawa. Siapa nak code 02? Very lawa. Dia ada glitter dengan matte punya. Okay, 02. Very lawa. Okay, this is code 02. And this is code 01. Nampak? Lawa gila. Okay, super duper nice So you want, you just comment for me nude 02 atau 01. 01, 02. 02 and 01. Okay, then I ada eyeshadow and eyebrow palette. Going, letak sebelah-sebelah. Letak sebelah-sebelah. Del, bila kau nak pakai Del? Nampak? Yang ini lighter. Yang ini darker. The 02 is lighter. 03 is darker. 01 is darker. Betul tak? Oh, yang ini medium. Dia letak medium. Yang ini is light. Aku tak tahulah part mana light. Okay? Nampak? 01 and 02. Going off at only $8 each. Lawa. Very, very lawa. Okay? Kalau you all suka pakai nude color, ni ada yang this one. Mana best? Mana best? Kalau kau pakai yang ni kan selalu ada pink-pink sikit. Kalau kau lah, bila nak sental? Tak tahulah. Aku tak tahu bila kau nak sental. Gece adik ni. Okay. 02 and 01. Kalau you all nak, you all comment. This is very, very good. Okay. Very, very good. Super duper good. Highly recommended. Okay. I cuma tinggal 2 je mascara. You all tak nak mascara ke? Mascara dia very good tau. $4 je. Okay. 02 lah. 02 lah. Okay lah. Del ada for that. 02 lah. I put in your bag lah. Okay, 02 lah. Thank you lah. Okay, so this is 02. 02 I dah ambil. Okay, I left with 01. Anything cause this is very, very good. Korang, mascara. Mascara dia very good. Okay, I cuma tinggal 3 saja. Going off at only $4. Any taker. This mascara, I cakap dengan you all I punya masih ada tau. This is very, very nice. Okay, going off at only $4. Okay, any takers? $4 sahaja. Okay, I cuma tinggal 3. Hari tu ada 24. Hari tu baru mau masuk lagi, ada 24. I cuma tinggal 3 sahaja. Like, share dah, baby. Thank you, baby. You all nak beli tudung? You all ikut Mariana Indah. Ada jual magnetic eyelashes? Tak ada. I also been looking for it. Tak ada sih. I pun tengah cari magnetic eyelashes tu. That one I dengar-dengar bagus tau. Tak apalah, nanti I cari lagi Nanti I cari lagi. Pasal ada customer pun tanya I ada gum for eyelash ke tak. Asal tak ada sih. Sebab my supplier tu dia tak ada yang magnetic. Dia ada yang biasa punya je. Okay, this one any takers, nampak? Okay, yang penting this one is smudge proof. Yes, bagus tu kan. I cari, seriously I cari tapi tak dapat. Okay, tak apa, insyaAllah mana tahu ada lagi rezeki, kita cari lagi. Okay, yes, I know the magnetic eyelashes is very very good. False eyelashes tu tanya aku, lol. Tarik je cik tanya bulu mata. Mak Okay, magnetic eyelashes my daughter friend ada jual sis. Oh, okay, can. Aku nak try, malas nak buat exam. Okay, can Elvira, nanti I will check on you. Okay, thank you, babe. Okay, this one is false eyelashes going off at only $4. Okay, mascara. Okay, you all boleh komen dekat bawah mascara. Okay, any takers for the lens? Okay, the lens is going off at only $8. Kau semua malas, tak tahulah. Okay, this is honey. This is brown. You nak makan ada roti dengan peanut butter tu. Okay, this is brown. Then this is grey. Okay, yang ini grey. Thank you for the cakap. Belilah tudung saya sesuai dikenakan dengan makeup. Oh. Semalam dia dah tak apa. Belilah tudung saya sesuai dengan spray minyak wangi Del. Nari makeup pula. Boleh betul. Okay, you all pakai makeup, you all pakai lashes, pakai apa ni, lens. Wala. Okay, the lens is going off at only $8 je guys. $8 je. Nampak? $8. Okay, ada 4 colours. Ada 4 colour. Ada honey, ada brown, ada sterling grey dengan grey. This is very very nice. Okay, kalau you all nak, you all boleh komen kat bawah. This is super duper nice. Okay, I left with limited. Okay, I left with only 12. Okay, I bermasuk 24. I cuma tinggal 12. Okay, yang lagi 12 tu dah kena saut lah. Okay, kalau you all nak, you all boleh komen dekat bawah. Okay, Pixie, I left with only 3. Alhamdulillah. Okay, any takers for the Pixie going off at only $6. You all boleh komen dekat bawah. Sayang, aku pakai lens. Oh kan, oh you pakai lens under degree. Faham. Okay, apa ni, eyeliner is going off at only $3.50 sahaja. I tunjuk korang. Aku lupa nak tunjuk ni. Apa ni? Blusher. Sekejap Actually kan blusher dia besar tau korang. Besar, lawa. Cuma I tak tahulah kenapa macam kena santau ni blusher. Okay, I got code 01 going off. One eyeliner also don't know bila nak pakai. Tak tahulah bila kau nak pakai. Thank you, babe. Alright, one eyeliner tak tahu bila kau nak pakai. Aku tak tahulah bila kau nak pakai. Okay, come. Code 01. Okay, $5 saja. This is very very nice. Okay, yang ini dia last teman dia, Caca teman aku, kesian dia tunggu lama. Mana dia lama tak lama sih, dalam 1 hour je kot. Okay lah. Okay, this is 01. Kita teman kawan yang dalam kesusahan. Okay, 02. Pinky orange. Darker. Okay, 02. Okay, 03. Red. Okay, a little bit reddish. Okay, 03. 04. Yang ini orange. Baru 1 jam suruh baring pun malas nantilah nak. Baru 1 jam suruh baring pun malas matilah nak. Kesan tu lebih. Wah aja sah. Korang ajar korang This is 05. And the last one is 06. Okay, this is 06 Kalau you nak yang blusher, you all boleh komen. Blusher is going off at only $5 je guys. $5 je. You tengok apa contact lens?
Dia pakai degree lah.
Oh, dia pakai degree lah. Dia pakai degree lah. Okay. This one is going off at only $5. Kalau you all nak. Sekejap, eyeliner cancel. Mari sini aku gigit kau. Mari sini aku gigit kau, Dan. No problem. Okay, apa lagi ada? I ada setting spray. Okay, setting spray $6. Novo. Yang Novo pun Syah, kau pukul dia. Aku nak hempap dia nanti. I ada eyeshadow dengan eyebrow palette. This is very very nice. Pasal I pakai. Okay, $10 sahaja. This is very very. Actually, this is ideal for gift also. Okay. Then I ada foundation. I ada setting spray. I ada palette ni. Fixie. I ada Novo punya cream. Okay. Novo punya cream. Dan I ada eyeshadow $8. I ada mascara. This mascara is very good. Okay. Going off at only $4. Saya cuma tinggal 3 je. Any takers. Okay. You all boleh komen dekat bawah. Then I ada korang ajar lah. Diam lah kau. Aku tak boleh fokus. Okay. I ada yang set ni. Then I ada crayon. I ada eyeliner. Two-way cake punya powder. Okay. Then I have beauty blender. Okay. Beauty blender dia very very good tau. $250 sahaja. Okay. Ada blue dengan purple. You all nak blue atau purple, you all boleh komen Okay. Going off at only $250 sahaja. Itu je yang I tinggal. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Itu sahaja yang I tinggal. You all nak apa-apa, you all boleh komen. Okay. You all nak tengok apa-apa lagi? Okay. Any takers for the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow dia tinggal 1. Okay. Code 01. Lawa lah actually. Dia punya eyeshadow. Okay. This is code 01. You all boleh just comment for me. $8 saja. Eyebrow palette. Okay, dah habis. Nanti aku PM aku. Nanti PM aku. Okay, boleh. Okay, eyebrow palette $10 je. This is very good for gift also. Okay, very very good. Dia ada eyeshadow, dia ada eyebrow palette. Dia come with the brush dengan dia punya pencil. Okay, siapa kakak-kakak yang suka jual kening. Okay, this one I highly recommend that. Pasal I pun pakai. Kalau you all nampak live malam-malam, kalau nampak I makeup dengan kening tu, pixie ada colour gelap tak? Sayang, yang ni colour gelap sayang. Ni gelap. Ni gelap. Yang ini I bawa masuk pasal customer request. Yang ni gelap. Don't worry. Sekejap nampak? Gelap sayang, gelap. Okay, yang ini colour gelap. Customer request, so I bawa masuk. Abang masuk 24, cuma tinggal 3 sahaja. Okay. $1 $6. Kalau you nak, you boleh komen dekat bawah. Okay. Topical base. This is highly recommended. Okay, Pixie One. Okay, boleh sayang. Pixie ambil yang set tu cost yang tu dah tinggal colour terang. Yes. Yang PC set tu dah tinggal colour terang. Only 2 and 3. Yang this one is much more darker. Yang tu tak salah, Elvira dah ambil hari tu. Okay. Alright, thank you very very much. Okay, done. Okay, anyone else nak? Okay, You all try to make prompt payment by today. InsyaAllah, then I will ask the courier to pick up the item by today. Okay, delivery will be only $6 island-wide. Okay? Okay. Ika and Suna nak tambah apa-apa? Kalau tak ada, then I can end the live lagi. Okay, you all nak apa-apa? Nak tambah-tambah? The setting spray maybe you all nak tambah ke? Eyeliner ke? Mascara. The mascara is super duper good. I cuma tinggal 3 saja. Okay, kalau you all nak sis, PW tu cancel kot. I lupa ada Novo. Oh, boleh sayang. Boleh. Nanti I take upkan you Boleh, no problem. Mana Elvira Natasha. Boleh, no problem. Alright. Okay, bye nak ambilkan duos makan. Korang ajar Kodel. Okay kan? Okay? Ada apa-apa lagi? Anything else? Kalau tak ada, I end my live. Okay? Thank you everyone. Alhamdulillah for today. Okay? Thank you everyone for the purchase. InsyaAllah, I will be you all very very soon. Then you all make the prompt payment. Malam, the delivery man will pick up the item. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Kalau you all nak tambah apa-apa, you all boleh just WhatsApp atau PM I. Okay? Thank you.